Hello friends, welcome to this channel Say Wow Buddies. Today in this video we thought we will provide some information regarding the travel requirements that are placed by each and every state. So in this particular video we will talk about the travel requirements that are to be met if a person enters into Delhi. Firstly, for all the passengers, a thermal screening is done at the airport, and if a passenger is traveling from a place with high COVID rates, then for that entire flight of passengers, sample testing for COVID is done. Sample testing for COVID is done. In case of passengers who are traveling from Maharashtra, they are required to provide negative RT-PCR test reports, which is taken within 72 hours, and this 72 hours is calculated from the time you give your sample for testing. And in case of passengers who are traveling via Maharashtra, they are also required to provide negative RT-PCR test reports. And the 72 hours time restriction starts from the time you give your sample for testing. Now let us see what are all the quarantine rules imposed at the Delhi airport for people who are traveling with high states. A sample testing is done, and in the sample testing, if somebody is found to be positive, 10 days mandatory quarantine is required. Either it can be at home or it can be at hospital depending on the conditions. And for people who are traveling from Maharashtra, and if they don't possess negative RT-PCR test report, they are required to be under mandatory home quarantine for 14 days. And for people who are traveling from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, and if they do not provide the negative RT-PCR test report or vaccination reports, then they are required to be under mandatory home quarantine or institutional quarantine at their own cost. And for people who are traveling from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, even if they possess the negative RT-PCR test report or vaccine details, they are required to be under mandatory 7 days home quarantine. And this condition of quarantine is not applicable to government functionaries and other constitutional functionaries and other related staff members. So what are all the passengers' obligation? Every passenger should have Arogya Setu app installed in their mobile phones, and if they are traveling from Maharashtra or Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, then they are required to possess negative RT-PCR test report. So these documents are necessary for people traveling from Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. So people who are traveling from Maharashtra and Andhra or Telangana, please get your test reports ready, and then only you travel to Delhi. And we have a wow news in this video. So what is the wow news? So the wow news is that there are going to be relaxations in the lockdown policies in the coming weeks in Delhi. So that is a happy news for all the viewers and for all people in Delhi. So this news shouldn't make people think that they can go out without wearing mask, or they need not ensure or maintain social distancing. These two things are to be followed all the time till corona completely gets away from the world. The team of Say Wow Buddies, we pray for restoration of normal situations in all parts of the world, and we pray that people should start living their normal lives happily. With this positive note, we are signing off today, and we want you all to share this information with maximum number of people, so that is going to help a lot of people. We'll be very happy if somebody finds this video useful. Even if one person finds this video useful, the team of Say Wow Buddies will be very happy. And if you want to know what are all the travel requirements placed in other states, please ping your comment in the comment section below, so that based on your request, we will upload videos on that particular subject. Stay tuned and always say wow and stay wow. Thank you so much. Bye bye.